Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a look at the Eureka RapidClean Ultra NEC370GR, a vacuum that promises to combine lightweight design with powerful suction. At just 5.5 pounds, this cordless vacuum is designed to make cleaning both easier and more efficient, whether you're tackling messes on hard floors or in high-traffic areas. With a 300-watt motor, this machine claims to deliver a solid cleaning performance without the hassle of a cord. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Eureka RapidClean Ultra is designed with convenience in mind. Its lightweight build makes it easy to lift, especially when you need to clean above-floor areas like shelves or upholstery. The vacuum runs on a detachable battery that offers up to 40 minutes of continuous operation on a single full charge, which is quite impressive for a cordless vacuum. That kind of runtime can make a big difference if you're cleaning larger areas without needing to stop and recharge. The 300-watt motor ensures strong suction power, so it's capable of handling daily messes and even more demanding tasks like cleaning high-traffic areas. But how does it perform in different real-world situations? In terms of floor types, this vacuum works best on hard floors, which is typical for lightweight stick vacuums, but it also offers decent performance on low-pile carpets. The efficient 5-stage cyclone filtration system, which includes a HEPA filter, helps trap even the smallest dust particles, making it a good option for homes with allergy sufferers. This feature ensures that dust and allergens don't get blown back into the air, but rather remain trapped in the vacuum for a cleaner home environment. It's also worth noting that the 5-stage system makes this vacuum more efficient at capturing dirt, which is a big plus for those looking for a model that can handle both visible debris and fine dust. The real standout here is the smart LED display. It shows the current battery level in real time, so you always know how much charge is left. This can help you avoid any surprises, especially when you're in the middle of a cleaning session. Plus, the vacuum offers 3 speed modes, easily switchable at the touch of a button. Whether you need extra power for those stubborn pet hairs or a gentler setting for dusting delicate surfaces, the speed control lets you adapt to different cleaning needs. One of the things that might make this vacuum more appealing for many users is the low-profile design and swivel steering. The 180-degree rotatable floor brush allows you to easily maneuver the vacuum around and under furniture, making it easier to clean areas that might typically be out of reach. This feature is perfect for tight spaces, and it really enhances the vacuum's overall usability. Whether you're navigating around coffee tables or reaching under beds, it gives you the flexibility you need to get every corner of your home. When it comes to the attachments, the Eureka RapidClean Ultra includes a nozzle, a crevice tool, and a 2-in-1 furniture brush. These tools make it versatile enough to clean a variety of surfaces, from your hard floors to upholstery and even pet hair on your furniture. The nozzle attachment is particularly useful for targeted cleaning, while the crevice tool gets into those hard-to-reach spaces like between couch cushions or along baseboards. The furniture brush helps tackle dust and debris from soft surfaces, making it a practical addition for homes with pets or small children. Now, while this vacuum excels in many areas, it's not without its limitations. The lightweight design comes at a price. This vacuum struggles a bit with thicker carpets or heavier debris. The suction power is strong on hard floors and for everyday cleaning, but if you're dealing with thick shag carpets or deeply embedded pet hair, you might find that it doesn't quite have the same pull as larger, more powerful vacuums. Additionally, although the 40-minute runtime is great, it's important to remember that it drops significantly when you switch to higher power modes. So if you need maximum suction, you might not get the full 40 minutes. In terms of noise levels, the Eureka RapidClean Ultra is fairly quiet for a cordless vacuum. While it's not as silent as some higher-end models, it's certainly not disruptive. For everyday cleaning, it should be comfortable enough for most people. However, if you're sensitive to noise, especially on higher power settings, it may be a bit louder than you'd expect. The build quality is another area where this vacuum shines. The plastic materials used feel durable without being overly heavy, which helps strike the right balance between sturdiness and portability. The vacuum is well constructed overall, and the attachments fit securely, making it easy to use and maintain. One downside is the dustbin size, which is fairly small. It will likely need to be emptied frequently, especially during longer cleaning sessions, but that's typical for many lightweight stick vacuums. If you're looking for value for money, the Eureka RapidClean Ultra provides solid performance for its price range. It offers a good combination of features, including strong suction, a solid filtration system, and an impressive battery life. Its lightweight design and easy maneuverability make it a great choice for quick, efficient cleanups. However, if you have a larger home with thick carpets, or if you're looking for something that can handle deep cleaning jobs with heavy debris, you might want to consider other options that offer stronger suction and larger dustbin capacities. When comparing this vacuum to alternatives on the market, a couple of options come to mind. If you're considering another cordless vacuum, models like the Black & Decker Power Series Extreme or the Shark Ion F80 may also catch your attention. Both offer similar features in terms of lightweight design and battery life, but the Shark model, for example, offers a larger dustbin and better performance on carpets. The Black & Decker, on the other hand, may not have the same filtration quality, but is very competitive in terms of suction and versatility. The build quality of the Eureka RapidClean Ultra is robust, with sturdy plastics and durable attachments. It feels like a vacuum that's built to last, especially when it comes to the reliability of its motor and battery system. The filter is washable, which helps reduce the long-term cost of maintenance. The brush roll is easy to clean, although pet hair can occasionally get tangled, requiring a little more attention. Over time, this vacuum should hold up well, especially for users who aren't tackling heavy-duty cleaning jobs every day. If you ever need customer support, Eureka's reputation for service is solid. The brand offers a warranty on the product, and you can expect a good level of responsiveness if you encounter any issues with the vacuum. While you might not need to reach out often, it's always reassuring to know that the brand stands behind its products. In conclusion, the Eureka RapidClean Ultra NEC370GR is a solid choice for those who need a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum for everyday cleaning on hard floors, low-pile carpets, and light pet hair removal. While it's not the most powerful option for heavy-duty cleaning, its design, features, and filtration system make it a strong contender for smaller homes, apartments, or anyone who needs quick, efficient cleaning. If you're primarily concerned with portability and convenience, this vacuum will likely meet your needs without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in picking up the Eureka RapidClean Ultra, check out the comments box for more details. And if you have any questions or thoughts about the vacuum, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep it clean with Reviews Inside TV.